Launch to profit with an online business and have your business ready to launch in 2 to 3 days. Yes, that is how simple it is to get your business up and running with Systems IO is ideally suitable for beginners in the online marketing space so that you can learn how to effectively capture leads on your capture page to nurture that leads when having email automation responders to build deeper trust. People buy into trust, know, like, and trust, so that at a future date and time, that leads or that nurturing leads and start to generate or convert into paying customers. All this is done through a system, a setup, a sequence. You are taking your potential market from step one to step two to step three to actually dial the needle closer to convert into paying customers. This is a setup. This is a process that works on your behalf without you being present in the transaction. What you are doing is you are following a 2 hour work day. And I can explain this more to you. Drop a comment ready and I'll share all valuable information to you.